Christmas lovers and enthusiasts. You are listening to Closer to Christmas. Today is June 25th. That means there are 183 days left until Christmas. Welcome back to Closer to Christmas, Christmas on the Coast. I'm Charlie, and tonight we are getting cozy with a beach bonfire Christmas. As the sun dips and the waves whisper, light a small bonfire where it's allowed and gather round to share Christmas stories. Read 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, tell your favorite childhood Christmas memories, or make up a beach-themed Christmas tale. Ever hear of Santa arriving on a surfboard? Well, you will tonight. Pair it with marshmallows, cocoa, or tropical treats like roasted pineapple slices. It's a tradition that warms the heart and the toes. Make sure you come back tomorrow to hear another tip to make your Christmas beach vacation a little more Christmassy. Remember, the next time you hear my voice in this podcast, we'll all be a little bit closer to Christmas. Thanks for listening.